Let's be real, job security isn't what it used to be. If you rely on just one paycheck, you're putting yourself at risk. Forbes actually reported that almost 800,000 jobs were cut last year. Today, I'm breaking down the best side businesses that fit around your 9 to 5. Hi, my name is Tamara. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're looking to level up in your career, finances, productivity, or just personal development, you are in the right place. By the end of the video, you'll know the best side businesses you can start almost immediately, businesses that fit around your 9 to 5 schedule. They require low startup and can actually make money. Let's dive in. Number 1, freelance consulting. Monetize what you already know. If you have expertise already in your field, companies, individuals will pay you for advice. Many consultants are charging anywhere from a few $100s to thousands of dollars just to help businesses solve their problems. We see this every day. Consultants come in, help with a strategy, a plan for the business, train existing employees even, and then they exit the business. Where can you start this? Start offering your services on LinkedIn, right? Use social media. Social media is the easiest way today to get your business out there. So leverage LinkedIn, Upwork, or any other platform where this is appropriate. Here's a tip though. When you're doing this, try to pick a specific niche. For example, instead of just saying you're just a marketing consultant, you can niche down, get specific. For example, saying marketing for real estate agents. Niche down so that you can grab eyes of specific sectors of the market quickly. Number 2, digital products. Make money while you sleep. Imagine getting paid over and over for something that you create one time. That's the power of digital products. And frankly, in 2025, digital products are fast becoming a popular way to earn additional income. You can sell resume templates, budgeting spreadsheets, online guides, any kind of self-help tutorials on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and others that are out there. People are making thousands of dollars selling simple PDFs, simple templates, and you can do a search and see which digital products are in demand, and you can add your own unique flair, right? And add special skills that you may have in terms of educating and adding value so your products can become popular ones. Number 3, YouTube or podcasting. You don't need millions of followers to make money online. YouTube and podcasting can start for some people like a hobby, but that can easily turn into serious income through ads, through sponsorships, through affiliate marketing. There are thousands of people today that are making money this way. You can just click on YouTube and there's so many tutorials that tells you exactly how to get started. And here's the great thing. If you're not comfortable on camera showing your face, you can do a faceless channel. There's so many tutorials out there that tell you exactly step by step how to create a faceless YouTube channel. And the additional part about this is today there are so many AI tools that makes this process so much easier. Number 4, a weekend skills workshop. Hear me out on this, because I think this is one of the most slept on opportunities out there. Do you have a skill that others want to learn? Turn it into a paid workshop. Teach public speaking, teach coding, teach fitness, teach photography, teach how to teach. People pay good money for hands-on learning. You can host in-person workshops, or you can do this online via Zoom, which is pretty easy to set up. Imagine if you charge 10 people $100 for a workshop on the weekend. That is 1,000 US dollars for that workshop. And if you do that 4 times, that's $4,000 for the month. Number 5, personal concierge services. Get paid to run errands. Busy professionals, elderly individuals, new parents, persons who are ill, persons who have limited mobility, need help with everyday tasks, and they are willing to pay for convenience. There are so many services you can offer here. You can offer services like grocery shopping, picking up prescriptions, dry cleaning runs, dropping off packages. There are so many opportunities here. For example, right now, Generation Xers are likely taking care of their parents, and they may have parents that do not want to be in an assisted living facility, may be pretty independent, but just are not able to go to the grocery store or run errands because it's just too much for them to handle. And this is something that they would be willing to pay for to help their parents keep their independence. This one is a good business idea that can return thousands of dollars per month. Quick question. Which side business sounds the most exciting to you? Drop it in the comments. I read everyone. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.